wild. The trees whisper secrets like a mischievous child. Footsteps on the trail, they echo with grace. In the quiet of dawn, where night's shadows erase. Rain and dark clouds, they dance in the skies. A ballet of whispers, a swirling disguise. The earth drinks the storm with a desperate plea. In the heart of the forest, where the soul runs free. Oh, mist in the mountain, rain on my face. Lost in the wilderness, a mystical place. Dark clouds embrace me like an old friend. In the wild's embrace, where worries all end. The river, it sings with a voice raw and clear. A song of the ages for all who will hear. Rocking the moss like a pillow soft. Nature's grand symphony felt in the loft. Leaves, they do rustle with the breath of the wind. Stories of yesterday quietly pinned in the tapestry woven of memories told. With raindrops and shadows and dreams that unfold. Oh, mist in the mountain, rain on my face. Lost in the wilderness, a mystical place. Dark clouds embrace me like an old friend. In the wild's embrace, where worries all end. Oh, mist in the mountain and rain on my face. Lost in the wilderness, a mystical place. Dark clouds embrace me like an old friend. In the wild's embrace, where worries all end. Stars whisper secrets we can't hear. Moonlight kisses away our fear. In your eyes I find my home. Together we're never alone. Hearts beating gently in the dark. Fills the empty night, holds me close tight like a kite. I love you beyond the moon, in the morning and afternoon. Every breath I take is yours. Our love, it endlessly soars. Ocean waves sing our sweet song. Is where I belong. Every day's a brand new start. With you here inside my heart. Whisper wishes in the wind. With your love I always win. Together we dance this earthly hour, blooming like a midnight flower. I love you beyond the moon, in the morning and afternoon. Every breath I take is yours. Our love, it endlessly soars.
so high. Mystic shadows in the moonlit sky. Lanterns flicker with a ghostly glow. Lost voices echo where the rivers flow. Secrets only known to few. Fog in the mountain where the spirits grew. Fog in the mountain where the myth reside. Hidden secrets where the legends hide. Eerie silence breaks the darkened night. Fog in the mountain is a spectral sight. Timeless wonders in the misty dawn. Echoes linger but the past is gone. Heartbeats quicken as the tendrils weave. Through the stillness souls begin to grieve. Enchantments in the twilight mist. Twisted paths that the shadows kissed. Every stone tells a story grand, guided by an unseen hand. Fog in the mountain where the myth reside. Hidden secrets where the legends hide. Eerie silence breaks the darkened night. Fog in the mountain is a spectral sight.